What's up, ninjas? This is Slice
and Rice
and Coolirpa.
As you can see, we have two special guests.
Hi everyone, my name is April and
my name is Erik.
On my channel I do DIY fashion. I teach people how to sew and transform old clothes into something new.
So with that being said, we thought it would be really funny to have Erik and Matt buy us clothes from Savers.
So on our channel, you will see my design of what I came up for Glory, and on Coolirpa's channel, you will see the design that Erik created for April.
So stay tuned and keep watching, and may the odds be ever in our favor.
All right, let's get started.
Yeah.
Savers.
I've never been here.
I'm excited! Mainly because I love thrift stores.
Yeah, but I'm the one picking the stuff out, so you gotta follow me with the camera. So I'm gonna make you look sexy, boy.
Oh, sorry. Wait, this is pretty. Who's this thin?
I am a fashion designer.
Shut
I'm
up.
gonna make you look sexy. Let me look at your body. Let me see. Okay, so you're like a size, you're like a 2. I think I found something, so.
Alrighty, come on. You gotta have, no!
Hold it up to you.
I
Okay,
like it.
I can
like
see
the
it.
pattern.
Cut it, take a little bit off there. Okay. Yes.
Actually, this is kind of like Vogue. I don't think it's my color. I
Think
don't want to look like a couch. That's something my mom would have worn when I was in kindergarten. That's cute.
Nope, when you say that.
No, come on!
All
Alright, what are the final pieces?
between these two.
Like,
We'll go
yeah.
with this. We'll go with this purple. I got a lot of material I can work with.
You went with your gut. I'll have to give that one to you. $9.25, Matt.
It'll make you look fabulous.
He's gonna basically recreate this and like try to make me look amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you seen like those thrifted transformations on YouTube?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So you went for the first thing you saw.
Yo, I'm a fashion designer, yo. Don't play no games.
Whatever.
I don't play no games.
Oh my god, I need a fart. Did you hear that?
That's why the baby's crying, cause you farted. But
What? What?
Yo, I don't know. I think it's the outfit. Alright, so I saw what Glory looked like. It's on. I have ideas. I have no experience. How thick these joints are. These are thick. We're just gonna make new ones. I don't know. We're gonna start with getting the chippity choppity on. We're just gonna cut it off. Cut! This is like your Sunday's best. Alright, boom. We got it. Oh, that hung down. So the straps just came off. I got it. I know exactly what we're gonna do. We're cutting this whole top off. There's gotta be an easier way. April, what's the effective way? Erik's got an advantage on me. You know, one time I took a sewing class and we were sewing pillows. And I failed my project because the cotton wouldn't stay in the pillow. So we got a nice. It don't gotta be a straight line. Now that we got this out the way, we need to work on the straps. So I personally think Glory should get some thin straps. So here we go. We're gonna get the cutting. After we get the cutting, we're gonna get the sewing. By the way, these are food scissors. So the strap has to be long enough to go from front to back. So let's test this out. Alright, yeah, there we go. Yeah, Yeah, we can do. This is gonna be an exotic strap. So you see here, you just gonna. All right. So now when it's twisted up like that, you gotta create a knot. So I'm gonna create a knot. Boom. So this is what's gonna hold. Ugh. Yep. There we go. And it's like a little ribbon, you know what I'm saying? You got the little ribbon on hang there. So you gotta work on the second strap.
So, how's everything going?
Making your straps. There we go. Yo, this is perfect. Where were you the whole time? Now I got perfect measuring. Alright. Boomity boom. What you doing? Yo, you gotta keep it straight. Yo, extend the arm. I just gotta make sure this connects. What you doing? I need you to be straight. Alright. Yo, come on! Alright, so I see. This is why it's good to have your test dummy here. Oh, I didn't mean test dummy. Alright, I think this dress needs to be shorter with a slit in it.
Ooh, you gonna give me a little leg?
Well, you're only wearing this around me, so. Boom! Yo, this is turning out really, really well. Alright, Eric don't know what he going up against right now. So.
So, Slice has never used a sewing machine in his life. I don't even think he knew what it was before this video.
You know what I see people do on TV? They like to lick the end. See, it makes it like straight. I don't have a table to see. I poked myself.
Oh no, are you bleeding?
No. How you gonna laugh afterwards?
You were funny!
My hands are too big. Yay! I did it! Alright, so we gotta bend that. Okay. There we go. What?
I'm like actually impressed. Actually, I'm mildly impressed.
How you go from actually to just mildly? Like...
Wow.
You got pretty far.
I'm like so impressed. I can't even.
You can't even.
My boy know how to sew.
But can you odd though? I'm about to start making my own clothes now.
He getting cocky.
Chabutinga manande.
Chabuting.
Chabutinga manande.
Aish. No way.
Yo, shut up.
I love you.
You don't know how big your hair looks. Oh my gosh, yo.
My hand was on my butt.
Come on, Glory.
Wow, whoever thought 4 years into our relationship, Matthew would be seen at a sewing machine and get excited that the thread went through the needle.
No! Oh, damn!
Let me do it. Wake up!
Yo, I hate you, yo.
You really slept. You really fell asleep.
Yo, I'm tired, yo. I'm tired. I think we did it. About to find out now.
What?
Let's see.
Oh,
We did it.
Maddie.
We did it.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, so I got the strap and I realized how difficult it is to sew straps. I probably should have hand sewed it. She's just gonna be one strapped in. But What I got lucky with is that this bad boy came with like a football cardigan. This thing got like shoulder pads and everything. So we're gonna hide the second strap with this, cause you're gonna put it over. That way I don't gotta worry about it. So we're gonna try to turn this into something dope. Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, I think we're ready to see if this fits. I think I did great. Let's do this. Alright, so after hours of blood, sweat, and tears, I'm really excited to see what Glory looks like with my final thrift transformation. Alright, ninjas, here we go. Glory, come on out. Let's see what's moving. Oh, look at this strap. Look at this single strap. This trizzy strap. Look like the Flintstone gear, yo. Hey.
I actually would wear this. So I actually like it. Like I really thought it was gonna turn out really ugly. And like I think this was a mistake, like you meant to do too. But I like the one, and I like how this is like a bow. Like I see this in like modern style. And the cardigan, I was like, oh wow, that's definitely gonna be bad. But it's like kind of nice. It's like a, you know what I mean, like off the shoulder. You can make it like elegant and stuff. But then when you go to church, you can be like, nah.
Oh, you wearing this to church next week?
Not with the slit, yo. I love how he tied the back, because at first it was like really wide, but then this gave it a little bit of more form to it, you know? I, at a scale of 1 to 10, considering your lack of experience and short amount of time, I give you a 9.
Ooh, a 9? What? Are you serious? Yo! That's what I'm talking about. I thought, yes.
I like it. I'm so impressed.
You know what I'm saying? I'm glad you like it. Ninjas, let me know in the comments what you think. And if you're coming from Coolirpa's channel, you know what I'm saying? This is what I got. You know what I'm saying? This is what I got. I mean, I hope you like it. I hope I did better than Erik. I don't know what Erik's look like yet. We'll see, man. We'll see. There you have it. It's our designs. And ninjas, we want you to vote which design you like the best.
And make sure you guys go to April's channel, Coolirpa. We're gonna leave the link in the description, mainly because you wanna see what Erik did for April.
Yeah, and let us know who you guys thought did a better job down in the comments.
Be honest, it's alright, we won't hate you. And make sure you go over there and show much ninja love, show how much our ninjas are great. So make sure you comment there and be like, Slice Rice sent me. And also just to check out their videos, she honestly has such good videos. Let me just say actually for 1 second, I discovered her like a little bit over a year ago, and it was actually kind of crazy meeting you in real life. She's so talented, guys. She literally has this whole series called Thrifted Transformations, and even if you're not into sewing, like I'm not even into sewing, like something about it just makes you want to keep watching it. So make sure you check out her videos. And Erik does such a good job filming her. It's just like they're such a good team. So we all bonded really well. So this is our like friend-iversary. So definitely go check them out.
I got the slice.
I got the rice.
And we got the sewing machine.
Ha 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 ha.